Hello there, and welcome to the channel. In this series, I'm going to install a Wheelhorse 2-stage snow blower on a Wheelhorse 520. In part 1, we're going to put the belt guard bracket and the anti-sway bar bracket, as well as attach the rear frame to the mid-hitch. The bolts that I'm installing are all 9/16, which you're probably not going to get with yours. And with that, let's get started. So here are the first two bolts that are holding the spring bracket and the PTO cover on that need to come off. This spring bracket that I'm taking off right now is the easiest one. So here we have the belt guard bracket and the anti-sway bar bracket. Here's the bolt hole on the belt guide bracket that the motor bolt will fit right through. If I had to do this again, I would jack up the front of the tractor and put jack stands underneath it, and then lean this side axle over to get the nut on the back of the frame here. Here's the anti-sway bar bracket. There's a groove cut out closest towards the PTO that has to line up with the bolt. Here's the lift rod that I'm struggling with. Initially, I had put it in backwards. There's also a tab on it for a spring, but I believe it's for the tractors that don't have hydraulic lift. Also, this cotter pin I'm putting in is only for show. Now this is the easiest way I've found to hook up the frame to the mid-hitch. Since I made this video, I found an even easier way of hooking this up. Thank you for joining me in this video, and soon to come, part 2. Let me know what I did wrong, what I did right, if anything. Alright, thanks for your time.